Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time of seeing my video, then you're welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fry a crispy whole chicken. Let's get started. Today, we're going to be frying a whole chicken. So I'm starting by drying off our chicken. In this recipe, we are not going to add egg, okay? It is going to be crispy. Right. Our spices, onion powder, thyme, garlic powder, ginger powder, paprika, pepper. So here I have all-purpose flour, okay? So we add our spices, part of it. And the salt, and mix it up. With the remaining spices, I'm going to rub it on the chicken. I'm gonna sprinkle some water. Sprinkle some water. Cut it back again. So today we fried whole chicken. Look at the crust, crispy whole chicken without egg, okay? And we have come to the end of this video.
Wait, mommy, what's me inside?
Look at that crust.
Bless you, smooth.
Look at that. Look at that. Please subscribe, share, and I'll be seeing you once again in my next video. Bye, and may God bless you.